It's called the Common Man Roasters, and as you can see there's people everywhere, so it must be good, and it's air conditioned inside, because I tell you what, it is friggin' hot. Someone ate half of my chair. Did you eat the other half?
I had the other half.
Got ready for the night in. She's heading for
So Lionel's going to meet us here at this coffee shop. We're going to catch up, have a coffee. We've never actually met before, but we know each other quite well. As I said, he's another YouTuber. He's a cool guy. Been meaning to catch up with him for a very long time. So looking forward to that. He should be here in about 10 minutes. And then I think we might head to the gardens by the bay and go to those tree things. You're over here. Come here.
What things?
Huh?
What things?
Come here. Oh, camera shy. Are you camera shy?
Yes, I am.
Look.
You didn't get my permission to film me. There's the old lady tell him off on the subway.
Oh, yeah.
No, you can't film,
Oh yeah, this old Chinese lady was telling me off for filming. You can't have this allowed on the MRT. You cannot, no permission, you cannot film. Because as you saw from the footage before, all the people with the mobile phones.
See? Troublesome.
So, Lionel, hurry up.
How's the coffee? It's really good.
He's recording.
How was your trip?
The trip has been great. So he's the man of the hour that I was talking about. Well,
Man of the hour.
yes, Mr. Singapore himself, Mr. Lionel Swee.
He's very bad at timing.
I thought we were going to meet at 2:30. So I'm like, oh, we got plenty of
And he
time.
scoot all the way here, far away from our meeting point. Far away.
But we've learnt to use the system called Grab.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. Because we've only got Uber back home, no Grab.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's something I didn't know.
Well, it's good to finally meet.
Yeah, it is
I
good.
know.
I should like just leave it on because like then we have to do it twice.
Yeah. And then sometimes something can happen really good and you'll need to film it.
Yeah. So you film every single thing?
No.
So Matthew O'Connor TV is here.
Hang on. There you go. We look a bit more similar now.
Yeah, now we look similar.
I hope you guys can hear us because it is very loud in here.
That's fine.
But the microphone is a good one.
They can hear us.
I've got a short, fat one. He's got a long one. Alright, up to you. I'll jump in the middle.
The middle?
Hello, sir. This is nice and intimate. So where are we off to? We're off to
Marina Barrage.
Marina Barrage, where Lionel thinks that I can drive the phone.
Yeah, you can
fly the drone.
You can, right?
I can. Well,
I mean, for your first video of the drone, you actually crashed it, but I hope you don't crash it this time because
I crashed it at her apartment. It's actually got collision avoidance, so you can't.
I don't think it works then.
If you're going forwards towards something, it'll stop. But if you go sideways into a building, it doesn't stop.
Yeah, it doesn't.
And that's what happened, and I flipped and it went on the roof and it started raining and I nearly started to cry. I was so sad, and then it started to rain. I was standing there in the rain. And Gina's just looking at me going, poor Matt.
Did you play a sad song? Oh, sad song.
Oh, no, yes. Mr. Lionel Swee has taken me to the Marina Barrage, and we're actually on the rooftop of this building, and a lot of people are kite surfing or flying their kites.
Like kite surfing. Kite surfing is like if the kite and then you surf. This is kite flying.
Yeah, that one.
I just gave him a big challenge, like a huge challenge to avoid all the strings above him. Show them what is it like.
Yeah. We're gonna not fly into the kites because the spark, the drone is not gonna handle this. He didn't know I was filming. We're just here at the Gardens by the Bay. There's like an outdoor hawker centre, and we're just getting a small bite to eat. Got some satay. This is much better than last night. This is really juicy. Where did we go last night? In the middle of the city there was like all satay street vendors. This is way better.
This is good. You guys try this.
No, I'll eat half.
No, take the whole thing. Yeah, put it in your mouth.
I want you to try as well. I'll eat half of it. What is that?
Spring rolls. It's called spring rolls. It's couple. In Chinese, it's couple pia.
I don't understand that Chinese. I have no idea what you're saying.
It's a local name.
Oh, okay.
This spring roll that I just tried, delicious.
Delicious.
So we've got a bit of a problem here. My battery's about to die. The camera's going to turn off. So I'll say, awesome meeting you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. We'll meet again soon.
You stole the words out of my mouth. I feel like we've been watched everywhere. There's a camera here.
I'm not even filming there.
There's a camera there.
I'm not filming there.
Anyway, yeah, awesome meeting you. Glad that I came to Singapore and we could meet up.
We'll meet again soon.
We'll be back in Singapore, and I'm sure we'll do some things together in the future.
You'll be back in Singapore?
Oh, of course, it's not far.
Really?
KL, Singapore. Maybe we'll meet up somewhere else. Who knows?
Yeah, maybe. Maybe.
Well, no, it was a pleasure, and there goes all my tissues. So as I said before, I'll put all the details for Lionel's channel down below. I've already talked about his channel a lot.
Yes.
So I won't say much more because you already know who this guy is. Because most of the guys who watch me watch him and watch everybody. Yeah. So it's all good in the hood.
We all have all the same subscribers.
Yeah. And they're amazing. So until then, you want to see some of his stuff from his video, you got to not spill food all over you.
I'm distracted.
If you want to see some of the stuff that he filmed of me almost crashing the drone, you got to see his video. Just stop spilling your food.
Okay, look. It's alright guys. See ya.
Bye. Just waiting for the camera to like go because the battery's flashing. Alright, see you guys.
Bye.
Oh, that's her job, is to say goodbye every time I...
Really?
Yeah.
No. Bye. Cut.
Oh, cut.
Can't handle this heat, honey. These little packets of tissues, they sell them everywhere for 30 cents. I've been through about 4 million packets. Lucky I've got this rehydrating drink. Oh, it is hot.